You get the water hose stuck right here. What happens is the water blasts up through here, all in a ring, shoots up through this net, and actually creates a jet propulsion, a jet stream, and sucks the leaves on the bottom. You know, they don't weigh very much, and this jet stream, this flow going that way, sucks the leaves up underneath here. So all I gotta do is suck the leaves up into the bag. Just be careful that the bag doesn't get too heavy. Sometimes it wants to fall off, but I'll have those leaves sucked up in no time. All right, got the hose and the pole all hooked up to the leaf catcher. And again, this is gonna squirt the leaves up into there with that jet propulsion. Progress getting this pool cleaned out. You can see all the leaves that were scattered all throughout over here. For most of them, there's a few spare ones, but they're all in that bag right there. The thing is full of leaves. All you gotta do is get this little clip off of here. Big pile of wet leaves.